it's Mr. Thomaswick here again with another application video. This application video matches up with application 1-3 metric to standard form. Just to recap our learning target, it is that I can convert units of measure across systems of measurement. We're moving back and forth between metric and standard and metric. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to be looking at problem number 4 from the application 1-3. In this problem, we're told that the amount of momentum can be described by the formula P equals mv, where m equals mass in kilograms and v equals velocity in meters per second. We want to know what would be the unit of momentum for P. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight some important information. It tells us that mass is going to be in kilograms. It tells us that velocity is going to be in meters per second. And it's going to tell me that I want to find my unit of momentum for P. And P was given by the formula up here, m equals v. So let's go ahead and break this down. We're given the formula P equals mv. Now, we aren't giving any numbers. All we're asked to look at are our units. So I'm going to replace the m and the v with the units we're given. I don't know what P is, so I'm going to leave that as is. But it tells me that m should be measured in kilograms. So instead of putting the m, I'm just going to replace that with the kilograms. So I just replaced that m right there with the kilograms we got up here. Now it tells us the velocity is measured in meters per second. Notice that little dash there, that's going to be a division symbol. So that means that this is actually meters over seconds. We're dividing. Now, when we have two letters right beside each other with no symbol in between, we can go ahead and infer that that's a multiplication in between. So what we are asked to do is we're asked to multiply kilograms times meters per second. So we're going to treat this just like if it was a fraction that had numbers. Now kilogram would be looking like a whole number, so to make that a fraction, we simply put it over 1. And now we can just multiply the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. So if we multiply the top times the top, we're going to have kilograms times meters. And those are not the same, so there's no way that we can combine those or simplify that or anything. And on the bottom, we're going to have 1 times seconds. This one we can simplify just a little bit because 1 times anything is going to be whatever we're multiplying by. So 1 times seconds is going to be seconds. Now I want to check to see if there's anything that can cancel out. If, let's say, I had seconds up here and seconds down here, I could cancel those out. In this case, I have 3 separate units, so I'm not going to be able to cancel anything. So we're going to find that our unit for momentum is actually going to be what we just found. Kilograms times meters per second. And that's going to be our final answer. Alright, go ahead and complete the rest of application video 1-3. Conference with your teacher, and then prepare for your mastery check. Good luck!